Hi everyone, welcome to week 3. It was a pleasure this week to read and respond to all of your QCC posts, and I hope that you enjoyed exploring those different themes and interacting with one another in that way. So this week we are going to continue to build on some of those ideas and start our research exploration project. And if you look at the calendar, you'll see that we'll be working on this project from now until the end of our time together this semester. So there are several things that we'll be working on this week as we start to build our projects and come up with our initial ideas. So the very first thing that you should do is to go into the week 3 module and look at the week 3 overview. We'll see in there that there is an assignment sheet for the research exploration project. And so begin by reading the assignment sheet. Make sure that you read it carefully. There's a lot of details and a lot of information there. But keep in mind that we'll be working on it from now until the end of the semester. So that's why there is so much there. Don't let that be overwhelming to you, because you'll see as you get into it, we have it broken down into steps. And I've designed the steps to be manageable. However, it is important that you keep up on the steps, because every step builds on the next one. So if you get behind, it will be hard for you to get caught back up. So just pay attention to the calendar, pay attention to each step, and I'll walk you through what we'll be doing this week here in this video. So when you read the assignment sheet, you'll see that this project asks you to choose one of the 3 QCC themes. So first year composition, linguistic diversity, or digital writing, and you're going to choose one of those that you are interested in exploring in more detail. To help you make that choice, there is a research topic brainstorm activity that is due by Monday night. So you'll want to, after you read the assignment sheet, go to the brainstorm activity and complete that, and that will help you decide which of those 3 topics you would like to explore in more detail. So keep in mind that the research exploration project is designed to be an exploration. And by that I mean that you do not need to have a specific argument or a specific stance right now at this point. All right. So what you'll be doing is you'll be choosing one of the topics that you're interested in. And then your first step after you choose the topic is to find to find 2 other sources that present alternate perspectives to the ones that we've already read. So for example, if you choose linguistic diversity, both of the sources that we read were in favor of linguistic diversity. So you are now going to look for 2 sources that present other ideas. They might be in favor of an English-only policy or the English-only movement, right? Or maybe they're not fully in favor of it, but they're also not fully in support of, full linguistic diversity, and they present alternate ideas. So your first goal is to find 2 sources that present alternate perspectives. I uploaded a list of suggested keywords that you can use to search, but of course you should use whatever keywords align with what you're most interested in. So if you're interested in something that's a little bit more based in the classroom or politically based or in the media, whatever you're more interested in regards to your specific topic, those are the types of keywords that you'll use when you're searching. Now, to help you figure out how to search for sources, there is a video that you should watch in week 3, and it's on how to use the FIU library website to search for sources. And then you should also read the PDF that is there. It's called Walk, Talk, Cook, and Eat, and that is additional information about finding sources and using sources in your work. And then there's a reading response that is connected to that, and that's due by Tuesday. After you have figured out how to use the library database to find sources, what you'll do is you will submit the MLA citations for the 2 sources that you found, and you need to submit those by Wednesday night. So that means that you need to have not only decided on your topic and done the research, but submitted the sources by Wednesday night. Now keep in mind that research is a process, and so you need to allow yourself enough time to sit down in front of the computer and find some sources. You don't want to click on the very first source that comes at the top of the list and just use that as the only one. You really want to take some time to look through the sources that you get back when you're searching and really find the ones that you, 1, are interested in, and 2, that are going to give you information that's going to help you with your project. So that means you'll be playing around with different keywords and really taking the time that you need to find some good sources for yourself. So your sources will be due by Wednesday night. Then you'll have your first draft of your project that needs to be submitted by Friday night. As it is explained on the assignment sheet, it should be at least 500 words. and then I will give you feedback on that draft over the weekend. So what you submit will not be graded, on content or ideas, but I'm going to give you feedback to help you continue to work on your project. And then we'll, keep coming back to this draft over the next few weeks. I will open a submission spot for your draft on Wednesday, and so you'll see where you can upload it at that point. So this is an exciting week because we're starting our research projects. Do make sure that you read the assignment sheet and all of the due dates very carefully so that you're able to stay caught up on what we have going on this week. Email me if you have any questions, and I will look forward to seeing your research topic brainstorm activities. That's your first due date this week by Monday night. Take care.